Hi, nieces and nephews. Auntie is back. Yes, I am back from my long-needed, well-deserved sabbatical. Auntie need to get her head together and get my spirit right, and I'm back, and I'm so glad to be back. I feel much lighter. So I'm getting there, okay? I'm getting there. Today, I am going to be making some Chipotle cheesy tacos, okay? And what I mean when I say they're cheesy, because I'm going to show you why they're my cheesiest tacos. You know I love cheese, guys. You know I love cheese. So I'm going to get my meat started. I'm using some ground turkey, so hold on a moment, give a flip and a swip, and we'll get started. So we're going to get our ground turkey. Yes, I'm using ground turkey. I put a little bit of olive oil in here, but the olive oil I use is the one for fry, because your regular olive oil cannot handle high heat, but this is specially made for frying. And you know, ground turkey this is very lean ground turkey, so it has very little fat in it. Even though it's a nonstick pan, I still want to do it like that. So I have my I'm not making my homemade taco seasoning. This is quick startup. I gotta ease back into things. So I'm gonna let my meat cook and I'll be back. Okay, I got my ground turkey all nice and thoroughly cooked, no pink. Chopped up, use the choppy. And I'm going to add me I want to add some black pepper. We are pepper people. Black pepper people. And little salt. You don't want to put too much salt because the taco seasoning has salt in it. As soon as I get my top back on. Okay, now I'm going to get this all together. Now I do not add my seasonings to my meat while cooking. I do that last, and I'm going to add me a little garlic powder. To your liking, you can add as much and as little as you like. Add a little onion powder. I'm telling you, the big difference between my homemade taco meat and this is that it's always, you know, if you 1 pound, say you do 1 pound of ground beef or 1 pound of ground turkey or ground lamb, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Okay, now I got those all in there. I'm going to add me a little Chipotle seasoning. Caitlin loves Chipotle, because that Chipotle is going to balance everything out and give it just not a kickity kick now, not kickboxer type kick. Okay, I'm going to add my taco seasoning. My water, and this is 3/4 cup of water. Oh, and to my taco meat, I also add a teaspoon of paprika as well. Then I add about a cup of salsa. Salsa elevates. To me, salsa, not only, you know, you could just add it on after you make your tacos, or you're welcome to add it on while you eat your tacos or cooking in your meat. I like it this way. To me, it just gives it a better flavor. And I do want a little more taco seasoning. And I will let this simmer. Smells so good. I'm going to let this just simmer all on its own. I think I'm going to add me a little more saucy. A little more salsa. I love salsa. I really do. Just love myself some salsa. Okay, I'm going to let this simmer. And let it be. Let it be. Be right back. Okay, have the meat is all done. Our taco meat is completely done. Like I said, you can use ground beef, ground turkey. You can even mix it. You can use lamb, ground lamb, lamb taco. You know, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my lamb tacos. I haven't uploaded that, done that. Turn that off, and we're gonna make our cheesy tacos. Let me spoon this into this bowl because I want my pan back. Okay, now we have this. So now we are going to do, Now the reason why I call these my cheesy tacos, because what I'm going to do is take this flour tortilla, but I'm going to let it get a little bit hotter, not hotter, warmer. Turn old girl back on. And I just need to get a little warm. That's it, just a little warm. And what I'm going to do, I just need to get a little bit warm. And see what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a little bit of quesadilla cheese on here. Just a little quesadilla cheese. Caitlin prefers this queso cheese and opposed to the other cheese. And one thing I'm going to do is take my taco. Just let this melt a little bit first, and I'll be right back. Okay, I put the cheese on both, and now I'm going to take this and flip this back over to melt the other side onto my tortilla, taco shell. Now these are the nacho cheese taco shells. This is the bold nacho cheese taco shells, and I'm using the queso cheese. And that's all I'm going to do is remove this from the pan. Turn old girl off. Guys, sometimes I be forgetting to turn the stove off. See, we have our cheese taco. Sometimes they break, but that's okay. And then you don't just stuff your meat in here. So we're going to take some taco meat and stuff this in here. Now you can add lettuce, tomatoes, sour cream. So I'm going to get my lettuce and tomato out. Now, when I like to do taco, it's not Taco Tuesday. I get a bag of these because she loves these lime things. I get those, and I have the taco shells. And I'm going to show you how you can make your own taco shell. And what you can do, I'm telling you, this is so delicious. Get you some salt and a little lime juice. And one thing you're going to do is take your tortilla and you're just going to fold it. That's all you're going to do is fold it once your oil gets hot. And then we're going to fry it. The oil is hot. I'm just going to push this. I'm using tongs. And that's all I'm doing is frying my tortilla. I'm going to fry my tortilla up. You can make your own taco shells. Then you can actually make your own taco shells. That's all you're doing is frying it up, and once it bubbles, it's done. And voila. You just made your own taco shell. Drain it on paper towels, and you can fry up as many as you would like. And if you spritz these with a little bit of salt, here and there, and you can add a little bit of a little lime juice, and here you are. You have your own taco shell, so you're good. You just create your own taco shells, and these taste really good, especially with that lime juice on them. Okay, especially with that lime juice. So I'm going to assemble a couple of tacos, and I'll be right back. Oh, one more thing. What I do, because she likes dipping. Look, I'm not making no queso, okay? Let's just keep it real. So I like to get this one, and I combine it with the Monterey Jack queso, and I just combine them and put them in a microwavable bowl. And heat them up, give them a good whisk, and because she prefers that. And then we just top it with a little more white cheese, and I'm gonna assemble a couple of tacos, and I'll be right back. All right, here we have our variety. We have our nachos, bold nacho, just a regular standard taco. We have our wrapped with our bold nacho taco shell. With cheese and wrapped it with the tortilla. Then we made our own taco shell, and this one only has meat and queso, shredded cheese, and sour cream. This is all the way, except with the jalapenos. This is all the way live supreme, and this one is all the way, except it doesn't have the wrap. So here we are, 3 varieties of tacos. So I hope you enjoyed my welcome I'm back video on tacos. So that's all I got to say. Thank you guys. Like I said, that's all I have to say. I appreciate you guys hanging in here with me, having some patience. I really appreciate it. Thank you for all your lovely prayers, your thoughts, your kind words, your support to me and my channel. So again, I'm still doing my infusions on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I didn't go today because I had a rough night and I overslept, and I have to make it up, okay? So anyway, guys, wish you all a good evening, good morning, good night. I will talk to you guys later. Tight hugs and kisses to all of you. And what I say, go be you, but do what? Be great being you. Love you guys. Bye.